My name is Lily Kate Bowman. I worked at Lily Jane Boutique this summer as a merchandising, e-commerce, and social media intern. Daily tasks included fulfilling online orders, updating inventory as new packages came in, constantly merchandising the floor, maintaining a social media presence, planning a VIP event. I reached out to Sarah Jane mid-spring semester asking if she would ever consider having an intern. She was so excited, so I emailed her my resume and we set up a time for an interview. We just met at Lily Jane. She got back to me pretty much right away saying that she would have loved to have me. My favorite thing was merchandising the floor and also cultivating relationships with the customers and being able to remember them. I learned how to use Shopify, Common Sold, and other really common technologies used in the retail industry. I learned a lot about market and the general concepts within it, and I also learned how to show appreciation and strengthen customer loyalty. The biggest pieces of advice would be to just be flexible and adaptable, giving yourself grace, and also communicating with your boss and your coworker as much as possible.